Sourdough Baker AI has just dropped, and if you're here wondering whether it's the next game-changing tool for your baking or business needs, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about this software, and by the end, you'll know exactly whether Sourdough Baker AI is a must-have for your toolkit. First off, Sourdough Baker AI is designed to be the ultimate assistant for anyone serious about sourdough, whether you're a hobby baker or running a bakery business. It's a fresh take on automating the often intricate and time-sensitive process of sourdough baking. But how does it actually help you, and why is it different from other baking tools? This AI software uses advanced algorithms to track, predict, and suggest adjustments in real time as your sourdough ferments, kneads, and rises. One of its standout features is its ability to adjust temperature, humidity, and time based on your specific starter, environment, and flour type. This takes all the guesswork out of the equation, meaning you're more likely to bake perfect loaves every single time. What makes this software so useful, especially for beginners, is its guided step-by-step process. Even if you've never baked sourdough before, Sourdough Baker AI helps you by analyzing data like starter activity and hydration levels, then offering precise adjustments. And for experienced bakers, it still delivers major value by giving you deeper insights into your dough's behavior that you might miss with traditional methods. Another important thing to know is the predictive nature of this software. Sourdough baking can be unpredictable, but with Sourdough Baker AI, the software's predictive models use past results to estimate how long your dough will need to rise or how long it needs to ferment at various stages. This lets you plan your bake more accurately and with much more control over timing. Sourdough Baker AI also stands out because it's incredibly easy to integrate into your daily routine. It works on both mobile and desktop devices, giving you flexibility to monitor your sourdough on the go. It's like having a professional baker in your pocket, offering advice on everything from starter maintenance to adjusting for weather conditions. If you're running a business, this software is a game changer. For bakeries, it helps ensure that every batch of sourdough is consistent, reducing waste and increasing customer satisfaction. It's scalable, which means it works just as well for a small home bakery as it does for a large commercial bakery looking to scale operations. And while it's packed with features, Sourdough Baker AI is surprisingly user-friendly. You don't need a background in baking science to use it effectively. Plus, there's a robust support community around the tool, so if you're ever stuck, you can get the help you need in no time. Finally, you can try Sourdough Baker AI for free right now through the first link in the description. That's right, no need to commit without giving it a test run and see if it's the right fit for you. But I'll also share my recommended AI software tools in the description that I personally vouch for after trying thousands of options. Make sure to check out the free trial and let me know in the comments if you think Sourdough Baker AI lives up to the hype.